welcome back to my channel. So those of you that don't know, my birthday was Tuesday, March 2nd. I just turned 39. Happy birthday to me. Well, belated birthday. As you can see behind me, there's a bunch of boxes and stuff. These are gifts and stuff that were sent to me from friends, and a lot of it are from my fans. So let's just get right into the birthday unboxing. Some of these have already been opened up because I didn't want to take too long with the video of opening. So let's get right into it. Okay, this says, a gift for you, Ravenwolf. Hope you have a great birthday, from Johnny. Let's see what's in the box. What could be in the box? Something that's got metal in it, that's for sure. Had to borrow this from my roommate. There you go. Oh, a bunch of box cutters. It's a box of box cutters. Cool. Now I don't have to borrow any from my roommate anymore. Well, thank you, Johnny. That was a very thoughtful gift. And definitely usable. Next, I have a card. I'm going to hide the return address. As you celebrate your birthday, sending the best wishes that happiness will be with you on your special day and always. Love, Danielle. Happy birthday, my friend. I didn't know what to get for you, so I sent this to you. Here is $20 with it for you to get whatever you want. Enjoy your birthday and stay safe. Sorry about the sloppy handwriting. Don't worry, Miss Danielle. Your handwriting wasn't that bad. And it's a little birthday card, and there's $20 in it. Who can't use free money? Thank you very much, Danielle. She lives in, I believe it is New Mexico. Yes, New Mexico. Okay. Another box. From Jude. In Florida. Oh boy. Okay, let's see. Looks like this is the way to open it, I think. I'll find out very soon. Ooh. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Got it. Well, maybe I don't got it. Okay, that's the bottom. Okay, so let's try this way. This side is got it. Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. We got it. What could be in here? Oh, wow. This is really pretty. Okay. What else have we got? Make a wish. Ravenwolf, happy birthday, from Jude. Alright, that's a little lollipop. And it's got some candy. Looks like some Valentine candy. Looks like it's chocolates. Hershey's. Ooh, that's the best chocolates. So, there's a bunch of these in there. And there's this pretty little box that looks like it's handmade. That is just really interesting. Let's see what's inside. Oh, more candy. There's something else. Oh, it's a face. That's a lot of candy, girl. Jeez. A lot of candy. That's a pretty little vase. Wonder if all my candy will fit in here. I can stick that in there like that. Wow, check that out. That's pretty cool. This box is really nice, and it looks like it was handmade. Check this out. I'm definitely keeping the box, that's for sure. I mean, I'm going to keep the vase and the candies as well, but definitely keeping the little box. That's pretty cool. Well, thank you, Jude. That was a very thoughtful gift, and it looks like it was handmade, which means it's one of a kind, so I appreciate that. What's next? We got this little envelope here. Okay. Happy birthday. Oh, what's this? No? Okay. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day, Sam. Okay. Oh, wait, I think it's in here. No? Maybe it's not. Oh. Okay, so. Huh. Looks like it's a little ring. I like rings. I'll have to open this up and see. Oh, that's so sweet. It's a raven ring. That's really nice. Let's see. How does it fit? Kind of tight. See if it fits here. Okay. It's a little tight there. Okay, well, we'll have to move that over here for now. And I want to wear my ring. Maybe a ring. Well, thank you. This is really nice. I love the double-headed raven and how their heads are different ways. That's really cool. Okay, next up, we have another little envelope that I already opened. There's a note. A gift for you. Raven Wolf, got this for you your birthday. I hope you like it, and I hope you have a great birthday, from Alex. Oh, he sent me stuff before. He actually is the one that did the wolf picture behind me on the wall there. So what's in here? A cute little velvet bag. A keychain. I like keychains. I never quit. I never give up. I am a wolf. Well, that was really thoughtful of you, Alex. Thank you very much. I have to hang it up on the wall here somewhere. Boy, howdy, I'm running out of wall space from all my gifts from you guys. You guys are just sending me so many cool things. Okay, so now this one, I actually already know what's in here. It's a pair of boots, a really cool pair of boots. I didn't want to go through the trouble of opening the box up and whatnot. Happy birthday, Raven. Love and hugs from Randy. And I actually know who he is. So, and it's these nice pair of boots here. Oh boy, I'll have to deal with that when I get off. Finish with my video. Okay. Next we have this bag. That I opened up. And happy birthday, Raven. Hugs. Lots of hugs from Randy. Okay. Oh boy. They sent me something else too, huh? This is interesting. Oh, it's a nice little dressing. Fine. Maybe overall dress. It's actually pretty. And I like how it looks like it's leather. That's kind of cool. I have to try that on later. Don't really feel like messing with it right now. But we'll put it right there. Okay, next up we have another envelope. Inside of another envelope. Okay, we're going to have to move you the dress over here. We fold this. No? Maybe. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Happy birthday gift for you. Ravenwolf. Happy birthday from Tammy. You already sent me the ring, I think. What else did you send me? These are Soviet Union enamel pens from the Cold War era. Wow, these are really old. I'll have to go through these. That's kind of cool. I do collect pens, so thank you so much. The one gift would have been great. Okay, I got a box. A boxy box. Nope. That's in the box. Amazing 3D lamp. Okay. Amazing gift 3D lamp. A ball, a kitty, headphones, more headphones, and a wolf. Oh, it's a wolf. Okay. Energy saving. Huh. Smart button. 7 colors. 7? Display operated by USB. Okay, wow. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. No, maybe. I don't want to harm the thing in there. Ah, here we go. This is how it opens. Right here. Whoop. Okay. Wow. Check that out. That's kind of cool. Oh, wow. It's got a little remote control. I can decide what color I want it to be. And it's got all these really cool different color displays. That is really, really cool. I think this is the stand for it. So I think it's in here. I think it's like that. That's pretty cool. In there. And then it's got this little USB thing here. Plug it in probably. So that's really interesting. I can't wait to use this. That's gonna be neat. Well, thank you so much. Let's see, did this come with a gift? No, I don't think it did, so I don't know who to thank, but thank you. Whoever you are, thank you very much. I absolutely love this and cannot wait to use it. Hopefully I can use that tonight. That'd be really cool. Okay, and the last thing is this box here. And it's already coming apart. Okay, we'll just help it along. There we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is really cool. So it is a wall-mountable CD system with digital AM/FM stereo and remote control. Pretty cool. Especially since my old CD player went to CD player heaven. Let's see. Is there a little note in there? Oh, there's no note. I lost it when I opened it earlier. So, my friend Randy got this for me. So thank you everyone that sent the wonderful gifts. They were really thoughtful and I enjoyed opening them, and I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of a bunch of these. So thank you so much. I enjoyed them all and I love them all so much. If you guys want to send anything, not that you're required to, but if you want to send a picture or a drawing or a painting or something, I will leave my mailing address in the description box below. So, and oh, next week, I am going to be doing a get to know Raven Wolf video where you guys can ask me questions about myself and I will answer those questions for you. I will also be telling you a bit of information about myself. Just normal stuff I collect, things I like, that sort of stuff. So, well, we'll be seeing you next time. And thanks again for the wonderful gifts for my birthday. I had a very nice birthday. Gotta fly.